Let's try this financial math question here. Now, they tell you that this amount of money, 1,570, is invested at 12% interest, compound interest. After how many years will the investment be worth 23,000? Well, this isn't monthly, it's just yearly. So all we do is take our compound interest formula from grade 9 or 10 or whatever, put in an interest of 0.12, put in what it finishes with, that A is 23,000 and that P is 15,070, and just solve. Well, there's your formula. A is 23,000, P is 1,570 Rand, and I is 0.12, so 1 plus is 1.12. And now divide both sides by 1,570. You get this decimal. Leave it in your calculator like that. It equals 14.64 and a bunch of stuff. But now we're trying to figure out what power we'd put n to make that equal this number here. Well, it's the log button we've used before in series. It's so easy. All we do is, there's the base, 1.12. There's the number, the log of that number to that base. We just put it in our calculator, and the answer is 23.69 years. They said how many years. They didn't say round it off to the nearest year. They said, well, it's a fraction of years. It's 23.69 years. Well, there you go. First question done. Now, this farmer wants to replace he buys a tractor for 800,000. He's decided to replace a tractor in 5 years' time. Now, this tractor is going to be worth 200,000. So it depreciates, but they're giving us the answer. But the replacement cost of the tractor is supposed to increase by 8% per annum. Well, we're going to use this same formula, but increase it by 8% per annum. But if he trades in 200,000, how much will he need to pay? Well, we have to take this 800,000. We've got to increase it for 5 years at this interest of 0.8%. And then if he's going to trade this in, we should subtract it. Let's see what the memo looks like. Well, there's the inflation, 1 plus 0.08, 5 years, 800,000. Gee, this tractor is going to be worth a lot, more than $1 million, 1,175,462 Rand. But we're going to get 200,000 off. So there's the cost of the tractor. Now, the next question, I think, let's just go to it. The next question says, 1 month after purchasing a tractor, the farmer deposits X rands into an account that pays interest at 12%. Oh, this is a sinking fund. And he does it at the end of the month, and he's going to do it for 60 months. So we just take the future value formula. We're looking for X. It said 60 months. They're even telling us. Usually they say 5 years, like 5 times 12 we have to do, but they're telling us 60 months. The interest is compounded monthly, so it's 0.12 over 12. Well, just take the future value formula, go 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12. It'll actually equal 1.01 when you're finished. It's 60 months, so you put in 60 months. This is 0.12 divided by 12. It gives you 0.12. We know we like to divide by 12 there. And all we do is F, the money we want in the future, there is our 975,000. We just divide. Just divide in one step, and you'll get X. You'll get the payment, 11,944 Rand. Well, there's our little financial math sinking fund question all done. I like it. It's a little nicer to look at when you see it as 0.12 divided by 12. And anyways, but the memo just did that for you and reduced it a bit. There you go. That's your answer.